And today we're going to make the beetroot gazpacho with horseradish ice cream. The ingredient list and the recipe will be on our website sawaddikat.com. And this is the fact about beetroot. Do you know that beetroot is full of fiber and high in vitamin C, and it tastes also good for our heart and blood pressure as well. So this is very healthy. Just chop the beetroot. Beetroot done. Chop the red onion. Garlic, I just going to crush it only. Oop. I leave out the coriander leaf because we haven't got it in the local supermarket that I went to shop. So we're going to skip, leave the coriander off the menu that I'm making today, but it will be in the full recipe. This soup, we had it before in the very posh restaurant, actually Michelin star restaurant in Birmingham, and this is a while back, and that's what inspired me to do this dish, because I got beetroot in the fridge, and also I got the horseradish that I hardly use, so that's why we are making this dish today. If you have the juice of the beetroot as well, just leave it in. That's the best. Right, that's the beetroot gazpacho done. There you are. Let me go to check the our horseradish ice cream as well. And right, once we have our beetroot gazpacho, just put in the container ready to serve. The horseradish ice cream has been in the freezer for about 3 hours, so we're going to check. Yep, we got our ice cream. Guys, and this, we're going to use this ice cream with our beetroot gazpacho. Right, and now to plate up our beetroot gazpacho. Have a look. Yeah. Oh, look at this texture. But very healthy. And I like to garnish with some of the cucumber that we put in with the gazpacho earlier to make the dish more interesting. And give a bit of color. And I put a little cube of beetroot in as well, so you know what it tastes in the soup, in the gazpacho. And a bit of color from the pepper. Like you can garnish it how you like it. And you remember our horseradish ice cream that we made earlier? I'm just going to put it on the center of the vậy quá.